Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video I'm going to show you one tool, namely the Dremel Stylo Plus, and 3 ways to use it. Now when it comes to Dremel tools, there's all different tools out there, and quite frankly there's a lot more than 3 ways to use a Dremel tool because it's all based on the accessories. But I'm going to show you 3 very popular uses and why this is a pretty versatile tool. First up, engraving. With the included engraving bit, you can use this tool to engrave into wood, metal, and other materials. You kind of hold it like a large pencil and it's very easy to control. With the included wire brush, you can buff metal, take rust off of metal, or other buffing needs just by holding it in your hands and letting the tool do the work. Finally, with the drum sander attachment, you can sand wood, metal, and other materials to get them as smooth as glass. Coming up next, 3 ways to use a multi-tool.